Hello friend, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to teach you how to claim BTC coins. First of all, we go to the website Peer Faucet. The website link given below in the description. Here we create account, click on join now, put the details, username, email, select the gender, country, put Bitcoin wallet address. It's not necessary. Check out terms and conditions, click on register button. Your account has been created. Here is the website dashboard. Open the Termux and go to the file explorer. Go to the file location which has been downloaded. Here is the zip file. Extract it and go to the folder. Here you can copy the file path. Only copy, not full path. Type here cd and paste the file location. Type ls. Here is file port.php. Type php port.php and enter. Go to the HTTP canary and select the Chrome browser. Start HTTP canary. Open the Chrome browser and refresh the website. Here HTTP canary fetching the data. Now go back to the HTTP canary. Go to filter. Go to filter and server host. Here select the API source and beerfaucet.io. Now go to the beer faucet. Here copy the user agent and paste it in Termux. Go back to HTTP canary. Go to API source and here copy the cookies and paste it into Termux. Again go back to the HTTP canary. Go to here and copy the link, paste into Termux. Press the enter. Here it's required password. Copy the link and go to the browser, paste it. Now here is the password. Copy password and put it. Cancel it. Here you can see the script is running. Here you can see my earning.